Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Rowe and I am co-owner of Triangle Acupuncture Clinic. We specialize in working with couples trying to conceive and have provided acupuncture on site for embryo transfers for over 15 years. I wanted to answer a few questions about having acupuncture on the day of your embryo transfer. First, why is acupuncture helpful on the day of your embryo transfer? There are specific points on the body that we can stimulate with acupuncture needles to relax the cervix and the uterus. When we do this treatment right before and right after a procedure, such as embryo transfer, the cervix is relaxed, allowing for a smoother transfer, and uterine cramps or spasming is minimized. The other great benefit to doing acupuncture right before and after your embryo transfer is that we use points that help you feel very relaxed. This keeps your heart rate and blood pressure in check and makes the procedure feel calm and easy. Supporting a successful implantation is the goal of acupuncture on transfer day. Second question, should you do acupuncture on the day of your embryo transfer if you're not using acupuncture otherwise? So yes, like I just mentioned, the acupuncture on the day of embryo transfer is meant to reduce cramping and improve conditions for implantation. This is a separate and very specific application of acupuncture than what we work on during the other parts of the cycle. Much of the research that has been done showing acupuncture's benefit on live birth rates is only taking into account these two acupuncture treatments on embryo transfer day. We have a lot of confidence that acupuncture on transfer day helps relax the cervix and uterus, helps make sure the transfer itself is easy and smooth, and also adds a nice relaxation effect for this very important time. Women do elect to do acupuncture during other parts of the cycle for other reasons, like helping with blood flow to the ovaries and uterus for follicle and lining growth, overall support and relaxation, and help with any other concerns that might be keeping you from feeling your best, like digestive upset, insomnia, or pain. But it is perfectly fine and helpful to choose to add acupuncture to your embryo transfer day, even if you're not receiving continuous acupuncture care otherwise. And finally, if it's your first time, does it hurt? And what's getting acupuncture like? So acupuncture uses very tiny needles. They are solid, not hollow like used in injections. And here's what they look like. They're about the size of a cat whisker, and you usually don't feel much at all. Occasionally we can get a little pinchy spot, but overall it is really easy and not painful. So during a treatment, your acupuncturist will welcome you and briefly discuss how you're doing that day, and you will lay down on a massage table, keeping your clothes on. It's best to wear comfy clothes, so we need to be able to push the pants up to the knees and sometimes sleeves up to the elbows. So the acupuncture points are arranged in lines called meridians that run up and down the body. And the meridians that come to the lower abdominal area start on the feet. So there are a few points that we use for relaxing the cervix and the uterus that are down below the knees and ankles. So there may be a couple points on the belly, under the belly button, and also on the lower arms or hands. And there are lots of extra relaxation points on the head, the outsides of the ears, between the eyebrows, and we usually choose a couple of those. So we work with you in making sure you feel comfortable during the whole process because the goal is relaxation and our job is to help you get there. So after we place the needles, then you just rest for 30 minutes. And after that, we take the needles out and you move over to get dressed for transfer and meet with your doctor. And so for embryo transfer day, we stay to do a second treatment again after the procedure, just to reinforce the relaxation effect and minimize any cramping. And that's really it. At Triangle Acupuncture, we have a team of acupuncturists who specialize in treating infertility patients and supporting couples who are trying to conceive. So if you'd like to have any more information, you can find that below or find our website.